In this video, we're going to be talking about how to log in into the Home Depot app on your mobile device. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Home Depot application. Once you've done that, you might need to go ahead and select where your store is. So simply go ahead and do that. And once you've done that, simply select your store and click on continue. Now, all you need to do is click on the sign in button right down here. And you're going to be taken to a complete different window where you want to simply go ahead and enter your email address right over here. And now simply go ahead and click on continue as soon as you go ahead and enter your email, and it will ask you for your password. When you simply go ahead and enter your password, you'll be logged in. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below. And